Look at that poto poto. It's bubbling and sizzling hot. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make Oha soup. And some people will call it Ora. So let's go ahead and get started.
So guys, here are the ingredients I'll be using to make this soup. Here I have got some ede. This is edole. Yeah. Akwachagomi already. So over here I've got some scotch bonnet, okay? You can adjust this according to your taste, okay? Then over here I have some uzuza leaf, okay? It is added in Oha soup. It has a nice aroma. And this is my Oha leaf. So this is the leaf, okay? It's still very fresh. Yeah, I will be doing this together with you guys. And over here I have some ogiri igbo. When we open it, you see how it looks inside, although most of you might have known how it looks. I have in here some seasoning cube, not cube. I have 2 of them here, and I have salt here. I have some palm oil here, and then over here, you guys, I have this dried fish. I don't really know the name of this fish, you guys, like I don't know, but it tastes so good. I have used it before. It is very good. That is why I bought this fish again. The lady told me the name, but I can't remember. So I'll be using this for this soup. And then over here I have my goat meat here. You guys, goat meat tastes better in Oha soup.
Also be adding some stockfish. Yeah, that is the ear of the stockfish. I'll be adding this much, as well as cow tripe.
Okay, so let's go ahead and start cooking. In a pot I'll be adding in the meat and the 2 sizzling cubes.
Now you can proceed to wash the cocoyam. Then after washing them, add them to the pot. I used a pressure cooker to cook mine. You can use any pot of your choice, okay, but this will vary the time now. So while the cocoyam is cooking, we will go ahead to remove our Oha leaves from its stem, as well as the uziza as well. So like so, the way I'm removing them from this stem, yeah, just go ahead and remove all the uziza and set it aside. Then moving over to Oha leaf, you can see the way I am just removing it from the stem. You don't remove that head attached to the stem, okay? You just have to leave it on the stem, just the way like so, the way I'm doing it. You guys, I don't really know, but it is said that when you do it, remove the head together with the leaf, it will be bitter in your soup. But I have not done that before. I always adhere to the belief, okay? So just keep going ahead and removing it from each stem, yeah, like so. After that, you can just squeeze it, yeah. Then after that, you can go ahead and wash the uziza leaf and then chop it up, yeah, finely chop it up, yeah, chop just chop them up and then you set them aside, okay? So you can go ahead and wash the Oha leaves. Yeah, I added in water and a little salt will help in cleaning the jam. So squeeze out the excess water. I'm squeezing out the excess water. You can go ahead and use your hand and break your Oha leaf, or you can use knife as well. Yes, and then after washing them, you set them aside and then grind the pepper. Yeah, you can go ahead and grind the pepper and then set it aside as well. Proceed to washing the fish. Yeah, break them up into 2 and then I'll be adding in hot water, yeah, and then I'll allow it to soak for some time. Yes, you can see that it has soaked for some time. I removed the hot water and I'll be adding a cold water to it, and then I washed it and then remove all the bones. You don't want bone in your soup, So go ahead and remove all the bones, wash it properly and then set it aside. So after the fish is washed, go ahead and check the cocoyam. if it is cooked. Mine is cooked. It was about, I think, 4 whistles or 5. Then I brought it down, it was cooked. I run cold water in it, it was cooked. And then I will be going ahead and removing the skin of the cocoyam and adding it to my blender. If you have mortar, please use mortar, okay? I don't have mortar at hand, so I'm using my blender to blend the cocoyam, but I'll also be adding a little water to it to help my blender. So I've grinded it. I'll be grinding it, and then look at that, it's well grinded to nice paste, okay? So I'll set putting it in a plate and setting it aside, okay? Then going over to the meat, is also cooking, is cooked. Then I'll be adding some oil. So go ahead and add enough quantity of palm oil, cover it and cook till the oil is cooked, the smell is gone, as you can see. So I'm going ahead, I'll be adding the cocoyam. Yeah, I'll be adding it in batches. This will enable it to cook very fast, okay? So I'll cover the pot and allow it to cook. Just look at that, all of the cocoyam is dissolved. Yeah, so I'll be adding in the grinded pepper, some fish powder, and then I'll be adding in my seasoning cube. You know, I used one in cooking the meat, so I'm adding the remaining one now. And I'm adding the washed dried fish, okay? Yeah, go ahead and adding the fish. So now we're opening the ogiri igbo, add the castor oil, the castor bean paste, okay? So this is how it looks. You can go ahead and dissolve this in water before adding it to your soup. It will help it in dissolving fast, but I didn't dissolve mine. I'm adding it, it will still melt, okay? You guys trust me, it's still melted with the soup. So I go ahead and stir everything together. Yeah, this is looking so good. Okay, so stir everything together and then cover the pot and then cook this to incorporate everything, to make the fish infuse the taste and then marrying each other anyway. So here is the chopped uziza. I'll be adding it now. So opening the pot, I'll be checking it and adjusting taste as well, salt as well, before adding the uziza leaves. You guys, uziza is so good. This leaves, the taste, aroma, very nice, top notch. So I'm going ahead and adding the oha leaves. If you have watched up till this point, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share the video to your social media platforms, okay? Just look at that soup, looking so yummy. You can transfer the soup to a container, allow it to cool down before you transfer to the fridge. Serve it, enjoy it with your family, friends. This soup is so delicious. I will see you guys again in my next video. Till then, bye.